girl, Rich Soul, back at you again today with another challenge. And this one comes from Rose Eating and Conversation, my girl, a new YouTuber. So far she's doing great, but I need you guys to help me build her up a little bit more. So please go over there and support her channel. So today in this challenge, it is called Lick the Pie in the Dark. Yes, and you have 5 minutes to do it. You need whipped cream. You know, y'all, I never even had whipped cream before, like, to where I'm doing it like that. So I thought that was going to be cool to do. So you have 5 minutes to do this challenge. You need a half of a pie, a sweet potato pie, from my favorite auntie, Miss Patty LaBelle. So you need half slice, some whipped cream. You can't use no utensils. You have to use your tongue. So, and, okay, so I have 5 minutes. Ooh, there we go. Oh, blindfolded, y'all. Lord have mercy. That's what's called the pie in the dark, right? So good. Woo. That's so good. I think there's still something in there. Oh, y'all, I'm so thirsty. That water tastes so good. I don't know if I'm done or not, y'all. I don't know if I'm done or not. I think I'm done. Yeah, I think I'm done, y'all. Tell me. Yep, the pie is completely gone. Okay. All right, I had 33 seconds left. Well, that was fun. Ooh, my eyelashes, I gotta do my hair and my eyelashes over anyway. All right. Ooh. So the 3 people, that was so good. Oh, excuse me. The 3 people I would like to challenge is Art Kendra Life, Queen Sugar Bear and King Bear, and last but not least, ASMR with Fatina. Yes, girl, you have been challenged. So you guys, see you next time. Peace and love. Mwah.